you guys, welcome to my channel. So this time I decided to make a makeup tutorial. I'm not really good at it, but I love messing around with makeup. After all, I love colors, I love just mixing things together, creating new things. And this time I created this look. It is I got inspired on a picture that I saw on Pinterest. I'm like, that seems cool, like that seems like something that I want to try. So I decided to go ahead and do it. It was simple. It was I didn't have to buy anything. I used what I have. And let me show you real quick how I got this look. It's something that can work out for Halloween. You can just dress in a really, I don't know, use a silver dress or something really simple, black dress, and just have a splash of color, little patches here and everywhere. So I'm gonna show you how I made it, and I hope you enjoy this one. So I'm gonna start with the foundation. I'm actually using this L'Oreal, and it's the 1-on-1. That's a shade lighter than what I usually use. So I'm just gonna add it all over my face. Now I'm gonna kind of fix my eyeshadows. I was already using makeup, so I'm just gonna intensify a little bit more and create a darker look in my eyes. So I'm gonna use browns and black. I'm gonna keep it neutral, but just try to keep it a little bit darker than usual. This is the little palette that I'm gonna be using. Right now I'm gonna be using a silver color, and I'm gonna add it to my mobile eyelid, and that way I'll create a little bit more light in my eyes. So I'm gonna add this black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna try to blend it in with the rest, and I'm also gonna use the silver on the bottom of my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna try to contour. I don't want a dark color. I just want a little bit of, shadow here and there. So I'm just gonna add a little bit and blend it in with the brush. Now I'm gonna be using the colors that I'm showing you here for the rainbow, and I'm just trying to follow like a pattern in both of them, and I'm gonna do that. And with a highlighter, I'm gonna select the areas I'm actually gonna add the color. This is a light highlighter, as you can tell, and this will help the colors to set better and actually be more vibrant, since it's kind of whitish, but I don't want it too thick. So I'm gonna kind of blend, but not too much, because I still want the colors to be on top of this base in order to have the intensity I want. So I'm gonna be adding all the colors one by one. You have to use a bunch of the color, like actually a lot of the eyeshadow. You can buy the Halloween makeup. I just use whatever I had. So I'm gonna be alternating, and I'm not gonna blend the colors in yet. I just kind of want to see how it will turn out, and I'll blend them in a little bit. So I'm gonna mess around with the colors right now. Since I already finished my face area, I'm gonna add some on my chest, on my upper chest. I'm gonna add a big chunk there too, and I'm gonna do the same procedure that I did with the other one. Kind of blend it in and add all the colors. Now for this step, I'm actually gonna be adding more, and I'm gonna mix them together so it doesn't look like just lines. So it looks like it is actually a rainbow kind of, you know, the colors mashing together. So I'm gonna now add the scars for the forehead. So I'm gonna add a little bit of red, and I'm also gonna add red around the rainbow colors just to make it look like actually a bruise that is breaking from the skin. And to intensify this color, I'm gonna add a little bit more brown. I'm gonna go around the bruises and just add a little bit more and kind of create this look this way. And I will be also using the black to intensify more and blend the colors together with the rainbow. That way it'll look like the skin is actually bruised from pieces falling out. In this next step, I was a little nervous because I didn't want to mess it up, but to be honest, you can just do it and kind of fix it later if in case you mess up a little. So I just use a pencil eyeliner. You can use the liquid one. I just wanted to trace it and from there work on it, and also help me kind of blend with the other skin and just mess around a little with it with the color to try to make it look nicer. So I'm gonna do that with the chest area as well, and just with the brush kind of blend the color, the pencil eyeliner. Now with the help of this liquid eyeliner, I'm actually gonna start drawing the break cracks, and I'm gonna add a little bit of detail on them, like little things here coming in there, and just kind of it adds a pop of contrast to the scar. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and just kind of mess around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It'll create a pretty cool look. And do the same thing with the chest area. You can create a different pattern or kind of connect them if you want. And don't forget about the cracks on the forehead. I'm just gonna create a pattern like that. I'm just gonna do a couple. I'm not gonna do a lot of them. I just want it to look kind of like it's barely starting there. With the black eyeshadow, I'm gonna kind of hide a little bit where the lines are coming from and make it look a little darker. It'll help pop out the colors for the rainbow inside. So I'm just gonna finish up my makeup. I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner to do my eyes, and I'm just gonna do this line like this, and I'm going to add my fake eyelashes. For the lipstick, I decided to go with this gloss. It's an NYX lipstick, and it is a pretty cool color. It's kind of like light pink. I already had a little bit of lipstick, so it's a little darker than usual, but I think it looks great with this color, more kind of neutral. So this is what the makeup looks like. I think it turned out pretty cool. I don't know, let me know what you think. I still gotta practice a little bit more with makeup, but it was a fun experience, and I don't know, the effect is neat. So leave me a comment below, you know, if you like it, and share if you actually do this makeup too. And it was so simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like. Check out the other videos that I have for makeup. I don't have a lot in this channel, well, in the channels. I don't have a lot because I don't really do a lot of these kind of videos, but go check them out if you're interested to see how I do things. I'm not an experienced makeup person, but I like to play around. I like to kind of make things work. So if you like this, go check the other ones. If you like it, share it. I'm gonna post a picture so you can share on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest if you want. This is a pretty cool makeup, I believe, and I love the colors. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new in the channel. If you have been with me for so many years, I appreciate that. I think this is my 6th year in YouTube, so I'm pretty excited. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.